championship from this finals in this top two from this one in this final games here from this one between Team India from this one. So what do you think of this one in this final of this top two of this watch of this video clips here? So let's see of this one. Hello everyone. So final battle from this one from championship from this finals of this game. So two remaining left here from this one and analyze of these games in FIDE Women's World Cup 2025 the finale from this one. So it means the final battle from this top two from this one. So it means so game number one from this one. So how many clocks here? 1 hour and 31 hours. I mean 1 hour and 31. So it means 1 hour and 31 minutes from this one in this round robin. So 1 hour and 31. So I thought 1 hour and 30 minutes here from this one. So it means so game number one here from this one. So after game number one, so I will choose from this game from this last game number four from this one, and also have a team without team from this one in this Team India from this one, and also have between from this international master Divya Deshmukh versus Grandmaster Hampi Conero. So it means Team India here from this one. So very shocked from this win. So so if you winner from this finals championship here from this crowd in FIDE Women's World Cup here from this one, and the lose if you lose from this finals, silver medals from this one, second place here from this one. So game number one here from this one. In this part of this video, you have analyzed of these finals in this FIDE Women's World Cup. So white plays Deshmukh is d4, d5 Conero, c4, captured. Oh, why captured by Conero? So it means without captured. So what do you think if you move side here by move by c6 by slap defense, or maybe here by e6 queen's gambit decline? So it means without move two main lines here from this one, or maybe without two main lines here from this one. So it means why Conero captured, decided queen's gambit accepted here from this one. So it means captured. So it means without captured here from this one, and e4. Oh, it's called queen's gambit accepted central variation from this one. So it means these are the two pawns here from this one, or two pawns from this one in this pass pawn. And e5 by Conero, knight f3. Without knight f3, and bishop b4 check, knight c3. So it means fantastic move by Deshmukh, and knight f6. With the idea here by to capture this pawn. These are the threats by bishop or threats by knights. So these are the threats by check by kings here from this one. These are the dangers from this one. And knight takes captured pawns, and b5 without good move by Conero, or maybe here from this one without behind the pawns here from this one, and bishop e2. Without upcoming castling by Deshmukh from this one. So it means without upcoming by here by determinations by connecting here, and bishop b7. So it means these are the threats here. So threatening by pawns or knight captured pawns. So it means these are does not one of this computer from this X move by Conero. So the one's computer here simple is castling kingside. Castling kingside is a best ones of computer here from this one. So it means without computer. So it means so bishop b7 by Conero without threats by pawns, or knight threats by pawns. Castling by Deshmukh without castling here from this one, and Bishop captured knight, good move. Pawn takes captured bishop. And knight takes captured pawn. With the idea here by move targets by pawns or realized by threats by queens. Threat attacks by queens and threats attacks by bishops here from this one. So these are the connecting by targets here from this one. And bishop a3 and knight go back, knight d6. So it means bad move by go back. So go back is bad move. So the one's computed best moves is one is knight to d7. So knight d7 here from this one. If you move here by knight takes captured. So knight takes captured and queen takes knight. So it means queen takes knight. These are the slightly betters from blacks here from this one. These are the continuations here from this one. So it means knight d6 by go back by Conero here from this one and bishop f3. So it means good move by Deshmukh or attacks by bishop. So it means without threatening by bishops here from this one and queen c8 without defense or develops by bishop here. So these are the protects by queens and bishop and knight takes captured. So it means this is a not right correct move. So it means blunderacious by Deshmukh. So it means blunderacious. Why captured knight? So it means these are the double question marks. So it means blunderacious by Deshmukh. So the best moves there once computer is rook to e1 only. With idea to pinning by king check. So it means these are the right correct move here from this one. These are the continuations here from this one. So these are the slightly betters from whites here from this one. So knight takes captured. So it means blunderacious by Deshmukh and captured by knight, one knight down by Deshmukh without continuations here. And rook e1 check and king f8. So it means another bad move. So the best moves there is one is also the best moves is king to d8. So king d8 here from this one. These are the slightly betters from this one from these blocks here. So it means king f8 by Conero and bishop takes captured. So it means these are a novelty by Deshmukh. So it means no more by booklets. So these are the according by chess.com database. So it means novelty. So these are the old main line. I mean old main lines here. Good novelty is one is rook to b1. So rook b1 is a good novelty here from this one. So it means new novelty is bishop takes captured, novelty by Deshmukh from this one. These are novelty by X move here from this one and queen takes captured. Without queen takes captured here from this one and queen e2 good move by Deshmukh and knight c6 another good move by Conero or great move here from this one and d5 another good move again by Deshmukh. So another from puzzle. What do you think the double exclamation mark by brilliant sacrifice by Conero? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone is h5. Brilliant move by Conero. So it means what a sacrifice by Conero. So it means so what do you think if you pawn threats by knights or maybe here because these are the brilliant move by Conero of these games here from this one brilliant sacrifice and rook ab1 attacks by queens threats by queens here from this one. These are the attacks here from this one and queen a6 without defense by pawns here from this one or maybe without threatening by bishop without threatening attacks by bishop here from this one. These are the attacks here from this one and Bishop takes captured knight without check, and pawn takes captured bishop. Pawn takes captured knight. Without good defense here from this dash book here. Queen takes captured pawns, and rook b4. Without rook b4 here from this one. So without rook b4 or controls here from this one, these are continuation. So for example, so in Aksev, why don't we use queen e7 check? So why do we move queen e7 check? Because these are the checks here from this one, and also king g8. So these are the moves here by move here or determination. So these are the continuations by slightly better from whites and blacks. So it means good examples here. So these are the controls here from this one. So rook b4 by dash move or threatening by pawns. So realize here without threats by pawns here or attacks by queens here, threats by queens here from this one, because these are the move stay by queens here from this one, and also rook c8 without queens behind the rooks, and queen e7 check. What a good fantastic by dash move without check, and king g8. Queen takes captured, without captured, and rook h6. h4 without move by stopped by pawns without blocks, and rook g6. With idea by threatening mating net. Without, because these are the rooks or targets here. So the queens are threatening by mating net. Threatening mating nets here from this one. These are the continuations or threatening mating net by white pieces. So it means, so g3 by dash move without no more by mating nets here from this one, and also queen f3 with idea by threats by pawns. So idea threatening by pawns here from this one, and rook e3 attacks by queens, and queen d1 check, and king g2, queen d5 check, king g1 go back check, king g2 check, king g1 check, king h2. So it means king h2. So it means, so doesn't want draw from this one from game number 1. So what do you think if you realize here cannot stop by this one? And also rook f6 attacks by pawns, and rook b2 defense by pawns, and queen f1 with idea by attacks by pawns, or because these are the queens here from this one. These are the or maybe without threats by pawns here without attacks. Rook e2 without second rank by dash move or defense by pawns, and rook c5 maybe with idea by battery without move or attacks by pawns here without controls here from this one. These are connecting here by rooks. And also queen a8 check, and king h7, pawn f4, and d5. So it means these are bad move by Conero. That's not one of this computer. So the best moves there is king h6. King h6. So it means king h6 is a right move here from this one. So d5 by Conero, and rook e8 with idea by move by check. So it means that's not one of this computer engine by move by rook e8. So the best moves there is rook f2. So the best moves is rook f2. So rook f2 is the best moves or threatening by queens. So it means rook f2 is the best moves. So rook e8. So what do you think? The second puzzle, another brilliant sacrifice by Conero from India. So while waiting for a couple of seconds, we continue for that. Start. Thank you so much, and congrats for everyone. Rook b5. Another brilliant move by Conero. Without attacks by rooks, or maybe here without threatening by rooks here from this one. And rook h8 check. Without check. King g6. Rook takes captured. One rook down by Conero, or maybe without 3 pieces and 2 pieces here from this one. And queen f2 check, king h3 good move, queen f1 check, king h2, oh queen f2, king h3, oh queen f1, king h2, oh queen f2. So it means I thought the rap songs from this one. Hey yo, break it down yo. So it means so draw from this one's from game 1 from final. So the score, so it means 0.5 0.5 tie all from this one. So I will next skip by this one. So it means game 2 and 3. So it means same by draw. And I will skip from this one in this game number 4. So what do you think? If you win of this one, we're crowned by finals in this video women. So what do you think? Next skip game 4, next from this one. So the next skip from this one, from last game 4 here from this one. So it changed by whites and blacks here from this one. So white pieces between Conero versus the black pieces by Deshmo. So it means how many clocks here? Oh, it's changed by clocks within 15 minutes and 10 seconds increment. It's called rapid chess. So it means game 2 and 3 will tie all the score from this all 1.5 here from this one. So it means today it's game 4. So if you win of this one in this finals here, will championship crowned by FIDE Women's World Cup 2025. So let's continue analyze of this part of this video. We have analyzed of this one in this last game 4 here. So white plays Conero is d4, d5 Deshmo, c4, e6 Queen's Gambit decline, and also knight f3. So these are the main lines here. One is knight to c3. So it means these are the continuations or good examples here. So it means knight f3 by Conero here from this one, and knight f6 here. So it means knight f6 and also g3, or maybe without move here next by bishop to g2 or upcoming castling kingside. So these are the movement here from this one, and capture this pawn, queen's gambit accepted, and bishop g2, or maybe with idea by upcoming castling by Conero here from this one, and also bishop b4 check, and also bishop d2 defense by bishop to bishop, and also a5 without defense by bishop, and queen c2. So these are a novelty by Conero of these white pieces. So these are the old main lines here. Good novelty. First is castling kingside, and second is a3. So a3 here by first and second good novelty. So it means third novelty is queen c2. So queen c2 here from this one without novelty, and bishop takes captured check, knight takes captured, and also b5. Without b5 here from this one defense. So it means without defense by pawns, and also a4 without threats by pawns, or maybe without attacks by pawns, and also c6 good move by Deshmukh here from this one, and pawn b3 attacks by pawns and capture this pawn, knight takes captured, or maybe here with idea by move side by next here by knight to c5. So it means these are the continuations here from this one. These are the good examples. Castling by Deshmukh, castling by Conero, and also bishop a6, or maybe here with idea by semi-close by pawn to b4, or maybe here by attacks by pawn. So it means these are the controls here from this one. And also knight c5 without good fantastic by Conero, or attacks by bishops. So it means without threatening by bishops here from this one, and capture this pawn, knight takes bishop, without captured by knight takes bishop here from this one, or maybe here with idea by rook, attacks by pawns. So these are the weakest pass pawn by doubles by pawns here from this one. These are the continuations. And also rook takes captured knight, rook takes captured pawns, and also knight to bd7, or maybe with idea to move side here by knight to b6, attacks by rooks. So these are the attacks by rooks, or maybe here without continuations by connecting by knights here from this one. And also battery rook fa1 without battery, and also queen b6 here without queen b6 by controls here from this one. And also knight d2 by Conero with idea here by next. This one is knight to c4 or attacks by queens. So these are the connecting by targets by knights here. And also rook fa8 battery, or maybe here with idea. So it means these are the rooks without upcoming by battery. So battery here from this one. So it means battery is rook fa8. So it means battery here from this one and pawn to e3. And also knight d5 without move by Deshmukh or idea without knight to b4 or attacks by queen. So these are the continuations here from this one. Knight c4 attacks by queens. So these are attacks by queens here from this one. And queen c7. And also queen d2 without no more by here by knight to b4 or without no more by threats by queens here from this one. And knight 5 b6 attacks by knights and knight takes captured. Good move. Queen takes captured. Without move side here by controls here from this one. And also queen c3 here from this one, or maybe with idea here by move here by rook to c1, or maybe without rook to c1 here from this one. And also knight f6 with idea by move here by knight to d5 or threats by queens, or these are the connecting by targets by attacks this one. And rook c1 without queens behind the rooks, or queens without threats by pawns with idea by attacks this pawn. These are the behinds the rooks here from this one. And also knight d5 with attacks by queens or threatening by queens here from this one. And bishop takes captured knight, pawn takes bishop, and go back battery rook ca1 without go back's battery. And h6 by pawns, and also king g2, queen b5, without queen b5 here from this one, or without slightly goods here. And also pawn to h3, queen b6, and rook 1a2. So it means without rook 1a2 here from this one, or maybe here with idea to move side by rook to b2 attacks by queen. So these are the attacks by this one here. Queen c7 by no more by rook to b2, or maybe no more attacks here. And also queen c5, or maybe here with idea to attacks this pawn. So these are the controls here from this one. And triple queen a7, and also queen c3. So it means queen c3 here from this one. So it means queen c3 ignoring here. So it means without ignoring. So it means without queen to queens in accept. Why don't we try queen takes captured without queen to queen? So it means queen to queen here, and also rook captured 8a7. So these are the doubles here from this one. So these are the slightly better goods from whites and blacks. So it means without queen a7 without queen to queen. So why ignoring by Conero queen c3 without ignoring here, without triples here, or without good examples here, or not good examples. And also queen b6 here without movement, and also rook b2 attacks by queens, queen d8, go back rook ba2 battery without battery, and also h5, pawn h4 without stop by pawns here, and also g6 defense, rook go back a1, queen b6, and king g1, king g7, and also king g2 repeat, queen d8 without go backs here from this one, and queen c5, without queen c5 here by movement here from this one, and battery rook a8 a7, rook 8 a7, rook 1 a2, rook a8 go back, rook a1 go back, queen c7, pawn e4, without sacrifice here from this one. So it means is mark given by bad move by Conero in this computer engine from this one. So the best moves there is king to f3. So king to f3 here from this one. These are the slightly betters from whites. So it means back there is e4 by sacrifice by Conero and capture this pawn. Pawn d5, another bad move by Conero. So the best moves there is one is rook to e1. Oh, rook to e1. So rook to e1 here from this one. These are the determinations or good examples. So it means etc. here from this one. So these are examples here by controls here. So d5 by Conero without sacrifice and queen a5, good move here. So it means if you capture this pawn or maybe goodbye queen captured. So these are, so do not capture this pawn. These are the, so it means queenless here. So avoid this one captured. And also rook d1 without defense here from this one. Without defense by pawns and capture this pawn, bad move. So the best moves there is rook to d8. So rook to d8 without defense by queens or rooks attacks by pawns. So these are the slightly betters from these whites and blacks here from this one. So capture this pawn. Rook takes capture threats by queens. Queen e8. Queen d4 check and also king g8. Rook e5 threatening by queens here and queen c6. Queen takes captured without queen to queen and dash move accept by capture this queen. Rook takes capture without captured by doubles. So it means same or maybe here 4 pawns by Deshmukh and 3 pawns by Conero. 4 versus 3 here from this one. And also rook f6 by Deshmukh here from this one. And also rook e5. With idea by threatening by pawns. Attack this pawns or rook attacks this pawns here from this one. And rook f5 without rook to rook and Conero accept rook takes, pawn takes, and also king f3. And also king g7, king f4, threats by pawns, and king g6 without revolts by pawns here from this one. And king a5. Rook a6 with idea by check. So rook e6 check without move controls here from this one. And also king d5, pawn f4, sacrifice. Sacrifice by pawns here from this one. And rook takes captured, bad move. So the best moves there is captured pawns only without weak by doubles pawns here from this one. So weakest by pawns here. So it means rook takes captured pawns here from this one and a4, good move by Deshmukh. Rook b4 without rook b4 by Conero and a3. Rook b1 without move side here by backwards or maybe here by move here by rook to a1 to prevent by queens or provokes by pawns. And also king f5, pawn f3 with idea by check. So check here by continuations here from this one and a2 threatening by rooks, rook a1 to prevent by pawns to without protects by rooks without stop by promotes by queens here from this one. And rook a3 with idea by pawns without pawns without idea to threatening by pawns here from this one. And king d4 and also pawn f6, king d5 without king d5 here from this one. And or maybe king d5 here from this one. And rook a4. Why cannot capture? So in an example, why don't we rook takes captured pawns here from this one? And also rook takes captured if you rook captured pawns here from this one. And also defense here. And also rook here, rook defense here. Defense here from this one. So it means rook takes g3. So rook takes g3 if you move by here rook h2. So rook h2. So rook h2 here from this one, and also king g4. So defense here from this one. So king g4. If you move by king e4, so king e4 here and king e4 and rook to h3. Without h3. So it means rook h3. So rook h3 here from this one, and if you captured, and also king f4. So king f4 and captured. So it means these are the prevents here from this one. If you move by here by king f5 and prevents here by this one and king f5 and king, so it means, so these are examples. So if we move here by here, if king d2 captured, these are the prevents in king d2. I don't know what's captured here. So prevents is defense here, king g4. So if you move here, king g6, pawn. So cannot move here, so it means these are the promotes by pawns, and promotes queens. So easy wins for blacks by this one, by winnings here from this one. So it means rook a4, why don't we captured by move by dash move? By easy captured by this one, by 3 pawns. So 3 pawns by this one. So these are 3 pawns here from this one, and king d6, without king d6 here from this one, and rook a5, and also king e7, and also rook a6, king d7, and also king e5, pawn g4, rook a7 check, and also king c6, king f4 without idea by pawn. So it means, so the best moves there is, one is rook 2. So the best one's computer is, one is captured. So captured by h takes g4 if you capture this one, and also this one is rook to h7. So rook to h7. So if you capture this, rook takes captured, and rook takes captured h4. So it prevents here from this one, and if you rook g4, if you rook takes h4 and rook to g2. So rook to g2, and also king to f4. So prevents here from this one, and also king d6. So king d6 here, and prevents this one is 1. So capture this one, and captured, and prevents here. So easy here, wins for blacks by here, wins for blacks by dash move from this one. So it means, so king f4. So it means without king f4 here from this one, and capture this pawn. These are the weakest pawn by double pawns here. King takes captured pawns, and h6. Oh, why don't we? That's not one of this pawn. So the best moves is, one is rook to f1 check. So check here. So it means, so go back is h6 here from this one, and pawn f5. So it means not correct move here. So the best moves there is, one is rook to h7. Rook h7. Rook h7. So rook h7 here from this one. If you rook takes captured, prevents by captured here. So captured. So it means rook takes h6 if you rook h2. So rook h2 prevents here from this one, and king g3. So these are the wins for blacks by here. So it means f5 here, and also king d5, good move. f4, without f4, and pawn h7 promotes queen. So it means another bad move. So the best moves there is rook f7 check. So rook f7 check here from this one, and back there is h7. Rook takes captured. What a easy nice shot. Wins for black by Deshmukh. Winning by Divya Deshmukh from this one. Easy wins for black. So upcoming by championship by black pieces. Rook takes captured. King g3, threatening by pawns. Oh, maybe without threatening by pawns by, or maybe rook threats by pawns and king takes pawn here or threats here. Rook a8. Rook takes captured. One, no more pawns by Conero. Rook g8 check. Rook g4. Rook f8. f3. King e5. f2. Oh, without f2 here from this one. And Rook f7. And the last shot from this one. King g2. So it means lost by white pieces, resigns by Conero. So the championship from this one is International Master Divya Deshmukh. Congratulations! Yay! So this Divya Deshmukh is a championship by this one in this FIDE Women's World Cup 2025. So it means congratulations from this one. So the score from this one, from Deshmukh 2.5 and whites by Conero 1.5. So it means championship by gold medals Divya Deshmukh. So it means Conero was a silver medals by the second place here from this one. So let's see of these final results after finals here from this one. Okay, the final results here from this one. So the winner from this one, championship by International Master Divya Deshmukh. So it means Divya Deshmukh was become a GM Grandmaster. So it means Grandmaster Divya Deshmukh. So GM Divya Deshmukh here from this one. So the second place here from the silver medals is Grandmaster Hampi Conero, and the bronze medal by Grandmaster Tan Zhongyi. So it means Lei Tingji is a fourth placer from this one. So it means, fourth placer, congratulations by this one in this one from top 3 here from this one. And also I hope that this part of this video here from this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updates of this one in this next chess updates here from this one. Bye bye.